In this short video, we're going to talk about Boolean operators. All databases have them, even if they don't provide you with the easy clickable way to select what operator you want to use. All Boolean operators are as a way to construct your searches more effectively, to indicate that you want this and this, or this, or this, or this, not this. All right, now so there are other ones. For example, JSTOR provides numerous other operators, but the big three are the ones we typically use. And we can see here in EBSCOhost Academic Search Elite, they provide them right here as drop downs. All right, and or not, and or not. So we put our first keyword here, and then we can select and or not. Usually most of us are just using and then we can put that in here. But let's talk about what this actually does. And being the first one, so if we imagine we have education in this circle, and we're in Academic Search Elite, all the articles that have the word education in them are included in this circle. All the articles in Academic Search Elite that have the word earnings are in this circle. The middle section is where they cross, where they have both. All right, and so when we say and, we're saying we want the middle section, the one that has both. If we use or, we're telling it we don't care which term it's using. We want this side, or anything in between. We want all of it. All right, now this is going to give us so many results, especially if we're not being specific. We really only use or when we're dealing with names or different spellings that mean the same thing. Okay, so an example would be Mark Twain or Sam Clemens. They're the same person. All right, we don't care which name the author uses. We want the results regardless. All right, and so we can put that in there. Now, not, we're going to say we have education, earnings, but we don't want the stuff about education. And so we put in the word not, and it's going to include everything in that entire left circle, including the stuff that crosses over and has the word earnings. So we can see here that this is going to eliminate a solid chunk of sources available to us simply because it has the keyword education. We don't use this very often. A good example of maybe when we would use it would be as if we are searching for something. I'll give you an example from a previous student I had. They were looking for a scientist of the 20th century who discovered a bunch of stuff, and that scientist had a bunch of those biological cells and tests that they did to find those and identify them named after them. Well, they wanted the stuff about the scientist, not about the cells, not about it. So we would find these scientific articles that were called, scientist name cell, right? So we don't want that. And we would put, not biology, not cell. All right, that way we exclude all those and we got a lot better results because we were only focusing then on the scientist. When we come here, you can do the same thing. Keep those Venn diagrams in mind. We have and, education, and earnings. We can submit that, and then we're getting only the articles that contain both of those terms. Now, if you have any questions, you can let us know, and we'll be happy to help you.